This will be the best video which you have heard regarding high blood sugar or diabetes type 2 in your lifetime. I'll repeat, this will be the best video which you are going to hear regarding high blood sugar or your diabetes in your lifetime. See, what is the reason for high blood sugar? First question, what is the reason for high blood sugar? Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance. Am I right or wrong? Insulin resistance. What do you mean by insulin resistance? What do you mean by insulin resistance? Your insulin is excess. Don't think it is low. This is the one thing most of the common public really do not know. Insulin resistance means your insulin is in excess. The only thing is your insulin is not working. Your insulin is in excess, but it is not working. That's all. When your insulin is in excess, how can you put insulin? How can you tablets for high blood sugar? When your insulin is excess, how can you put again insulin? This is the point which you have to. This is what I am going to discuss in this video. So insulin resistance means your insulin is excess. Insulin resistance means your insulin is high, not low. Your insulin is high. Only thing it is not working. Only thing your insulin is not working. When your insulin is not working and it is in excess, how can you eat sugar tablets? When your insulin is excess, how can you put insulin? I'll repeat. Insulin resistance means your insulin is not working and it is in excess. It is in excess. So what does it mean? Insulin resistance means high fasting insulin. High fasting insulin. I always tell my diabetic patients to do fasting insulin. I always tell my diabetic patients to do fasting insulin to see whether your insulin is already excess in your body. When you are already having excess in your body, insulin, how can you eat unnecessary tablets? And how can you put in insulin? That is why you are suffering from all the side effects. Got it? You have to hear this video once more to understand better. Okay. So I am going to explain fastly just here. So insulin resistance means, as I told you, high fasting insulin. High fasting insulin. Okay. Next. Insulin resistance is so indirectly high fasting insulin means insulin resistance. You have to hear this video once more so that you can understand better. I will not complicate. I will explain once more. Okay, that is why. So insulin resistance means high fasting insulin. Okay. What I told you. Insulin resistance means high fasting insulin. You must understand better. That is why I am explaining so thoroughly. So what is the reason for high fasting insulin? If you can answer, you must answer this question. Then only you will understand what is the reason for high fasting insulin. Unbalanced diet. What is the reason for high fasting insulin? What is the reason for insulin resistance? Unbalanced diet. Then how can you eat these tablets and put this insulin? See, you know the reason. You know the reason for high blood sugar. Insulin resistance or high fasting insulin is due to unbalanced diet. Then how can you eat these tablets and put this insulin? So the correct treatment for high blood sugar is what? I throw this outside. Balanced diet. Be very careful before eating these tablets and insulin. This is the correct treatment. Insulin resistance can be cured only by balanced diet. Insulin resistance can be cured only by balanced diet. That is why I told you this is a life-changing video. You will never hear this video once more in your lifetime. Insulin resistance can be cured only by balanced diet. Your high fasting insulin can be cured only by balanced diet. Only by balanced diet. I am going to explain. Just wait. Don't stop the video. Little more I have to explain about this so that you will understand better. You hear this video once more. Take a notes. Okay. You prepare a notes. Then you go through your notes. You will understand why all the people who are eating tablets and insulin, why all the people in the world, WORLD, I can challenge you, why all the people in the world who are eating tablets and insulin to reduce their blood sugar are suffering from heart problem, stroke, kidney dialysis, leg removal, leg finger removal, leg wound, long standing years, so many years, it will not heal at all, and eye blindness, fatty liver, everything. If you eat your tablets, if you eat your tablets and put insulin regularly, you will have all the complications which I told you right now. You will have all the complications which I told you right now. I am going to explain why. Because this high fasting insulin will block the blood vessel inside. The medical word is called atherosclerosis. Shall I repeat? The blockage inside the blood vessel, artery, is called, the medical word is called atherosclerosis. That is called block. If it blocks here inside the brain vessel, stroke. If it blocks the eye, blindness. If it blocks the blood vessel, heart problem. Blocks the blood vessel in the kidney dialysis. If it blocks the blood vessel in the leg finger removal. So high fasting insulin can be cured, can be reduced only by balanced diet. That is why I told you, if you don't follow your balanced diet and eat your tablets and insulin regularly, you will have atherosclerosis inside. High fasting insulin is a killer. High fasting insulin promotes atherosclerosis inside the blood vessel. That is why if you don't eat your home food in a balanced form, you will 100% have complications like fatty liver, eye blindness, leg wound, it will not heal at all. Your leg finger will be removed sometime, I don't know. Kidney dialysis, you know better than me. A stroke, you know better than me. Heart problem, you know better than me. So this is the world. That is why I told you, this will be the best video forever, which you can understand. My concept is, eat balanced diet, save your life. Eat balanced diet and save your life. That's all. See, I reduced 70 kgs for this boy. 140 kgs to 70 kgs. No protein powder, no tablets, no juice, no running, no skipping, no treadmill, no bariatric surgery, no protein powder, nothing. Nothing. I just gave my balanced diet. I just gave my balanced diet. See, here it is 42 kgs for the gentleman. 42 kgs. 128 kgs to 86 kgs. No protein powder, no tablet, no juice, nothing. Balanced diet. After giving the balanced diet, see how he is, and he was eating almost 20 tablets for sugar and BP, cholesterol and everything. He was eating almost 20 tablets. We threw all the tablets outside. Permanently lifelong. He was injecting insulin 3 times. We threw the insulin permanently lifelong. He is so happy and healthy. That is why I told you no. This is the excellent video which you will hear in your lifetime. You will understand about what is insulin resistance. So your insulin is high. Your fasting insulin is high. How can you eat again tablets and insulin? Put insulin. Your insulin is high. It is not low. It is high. But it is resistant. It is not working. It is resistant. Where is the paper? It is not working. Insulin resistance means insulin is not working. It is not working in your body. This is the greatest video in the world, I tell you. Don't forget to share this great awareness video to the world. Don't forget to share this great awareness video to the world. If you really like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell only if you are interested to get further videos. My humble request is, hear this video once more, take a notes, then think, then call me. Okay, stay tuned.